Guys, this is one Ashok Leyland bus that is making headlines. It's called Garud, and it's one of the electric buses that Ashok Leyland is gonna launch in future. It's a concept model, but let's go and see from inside how it looks. First of all, it's pretty long. If you see from here till there, it's pretty long bus. Let's go inside how it looks. From inside is a sleeping cabin. From inside is a two-seater this side, two sleeper this side, two down, one and one, so almost six, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, almost 8 compartments, 42 berths of seats, and there is washroom inside?
There's no washroom, sir.
Okay, for in this concept model they have not shown washroom. I don't know, in India should be more, because there should be 2 washroom at least in a sleeper class plus, because that helps a lot. Has storage space up, pretty nice quality. Also there are ladders right here are the ladders to go up and down. The lighting is good, and if we keep walking, the lane is not so narrow. I can walk easily. I am 6 foot tall, so yeah, you can walk easily down here. They have pillows right here. It's a concept form again, but pretty impressed with the bus. If these buses come to India, yeah, you remove 2 berths, you remove 14 seats, and then you get the actual bus. Super luxury, super clean, and the flooring is also nice in the wooden form, but again it's a concept form, so we don't know. And this side should be the space for the washrooms that I told you, like 6 berths can easily convert into 2 washrooms, quite big, this side and one this side, and it has an exit from the back. I don't know if it is a concept model, that's why, or it's because it will. One more, there is one truck right here for storage, and look the storage capacity of this truck. The truck looks pretty big. The storage, it has a badging of IEV8, and look at the wheels, guys. Obviously these are concept forms, so I don't know it's gonna be good or not, but yeah, it says switch here to switch to electric. So this is the Ashok Leyland platform, and they have displayed this e-tran also. Basically it's a loading truck. If you can see here, you can put the trailer backside, and here's the key. Pretty different shape and size of this truck. So yeah, this side is the front part of it. So equipment manufacturer, what I like more about Ashok Leyland this time is that the block design that they are using in all the trucks. If I see that electric or this truck or the bus, all are more block design.